Hi guys, good day. Welcome back to my channel and page, RHCES and RHC Engineering. And for today's tutorial, I will be showing to you the Flipbooks that I have developed. And this is free. You can upload PDF and images up to 150 page Flipbooks. And in the image quality, you can choose here the standard and the high up to the maximum 3000 px. Okay. Without further ado, I will try to upload one of the sample. I have here a design report. So I will drag it directly here and wait to finish uploading. So we have here the 48 pages calculations report, sample calculation report, and uh, I will uploading it and make it as a flipbooks. And it's very easy to convert from PDF to flipbook. As you can see, ito na siya. So, so, so it's very easy now. It's like a book. So this is my design calculation sample na nasabit natin. So far, this is good. And I don't know if you can send this to your client for a good presentation. Okay, so after that, if you want to share this in your colleague, in your friend, or even in your client, you can click here, this one, this publish and get share link. So, kailangan lang ninyo mag-enter ng ah, email, the valid email, kasi mag-send siya ng code. So, mag-access siya or mag-send siya ng code. So, yun, punta kayo dun sa Gmail kung ano man ang enter ninyo. Then, ito, nakita ko na. So, I will be importing the code here. Okay. Then, verify ko. So, this one, mayroon na tayong option na i-publish. So, click lang natin yung publish and wait to finish na publishing the flipbook. Once matapos yung pag-publish, then we can paste now the link in your friend or in your colleague or even in your client for this flipbook. So, mababview na siya. Ang kagandahan nito, as long as na hindi ka nagre-reset ng laptop mo or hindi ka nag-uninstall ng browser mo, yung mga na-upload mo, nandyan lang yan sa laptop mo. So, hindi siya online. Nasa laptop mo siya. So, you cannot access it in the other laptop. Okay? So, I will show you later after the publishing. Then after that, pwede mo na siya i-copy or i-click mo yung done, then balik tayo rito. So, nandito na siya. Okay? So, pwede mo siya balikan or i-copy yung link or i-rename. Okay? And this book or this flipbook, ano na siya, nakasave na siya sa browser mo. Within that particular device lang kung saan ka nag-upload. Okay? And also, you have an option here to select the maximum quality of the flipbook. So, it's up to you. Yun lang. Okay? So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching and for supporting my channel and page. Bye-bye.